Hi, I am so happy that you subscribed to my channel. So I looked, and based on the last analytics, the majority of subscribers came for AI generation and Hello Kitty. So today we are going to focus on AI generation tools, specifically Kling Omni 3.0. Honestly, Kling has done consistent characters for over a year that you needed to know how to prompt it. With Kling Omni 3.0 and character elements, you get your character every time. Here, let's take a look. See, this is Tatiana's character element. Whenever I want to use her, I draft the prompt for the scene and wardrobe, and it's like dressing a paper doll. Not just consistency, it is also transitions. Do you have a bunch of 6 and 12-second videos you need to stitch together? Not to worry, watch this. I took these two scenes, wrote my prompt for the transition, and here's the final result. Pretty freaking awesome, right? So you have to let me know if you want more of this. I am a multi-pillar channel. I make a lot of videos on a lot of different topics. So you have to let me know if you want more AI. If you want it, I can give you that. Okay, bye.